Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I've been waiting to put this video out, waiting for the rest of this order. It came in 2 parts for some reason, I don't know. But it's FGNORMAL, and I have some really cute things here to show you today, so let's get into it. There's quite a few things here, and I'm doing it in one shot here, one roll. Here we go. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I gotta get this done quickly because the sun is encroaching on my recording space here. So I had to get another one of these. I love these. Now, here's what I'm going to say about this one. I don't think this one has, it has a few slivers. It doesn't have a ton of slivers. Look, these flowers right here are slivers. Oh, it has more than I thought. So are those. Oh, dang it. I thought I checked this one over pretty good and didn't see very many. Shoot, why can't they just put a flower there? You know, if I collected enough leftover flowers, like if I had, I could do that in leftover flowers. What do you think? I don't know. Anyhow, let's look at the drills for it. It has 12 different colors. Yep, there's my slivers. Oh, goodness. I like, why can't they just, put flowers in there? They want to give us something to do, apparently. Okay, here's our colors. We have a clear, let's focus, clear, purple, red, a couple of different greens. This is a beautiful aqua. That's gorgeous. A brown color. So we have purple slivers. We have clear slivers. We have these beautiful purple iridescent rounds. Those are gorgeous. And then we have orange ones as well. Those are beautiful. And then we have these big pink faceted. Those are pretty. I think these are going to be really pretty. It's just there's so many slivers in them. It's gonna take a real act of gotta do it. Anyhow, let's see, what else do we have here? I'm kind of pawing through my pile as we go. This I thought was really cool. All right, here's a toolkit. They'll come with your standard toolkit like that. I always save one to show you. But this is kind of nifty. I like this. So we have this mandala type thing going on over here. None of this background gets drills on it, but look at how pretty it is. It's like little snowflakes all over. So maybe this is supposed to be a snowflake. I mean, we got stars too, but a lot of this is snowflake. That would be pretty cool. And look at it's a rainbow effect. Look, we got oranges, reds, yellows, greens, blues out to purples. I think that's going to be really pretty. There are 14 different colors here. 14 different drills. I think we're going to have lots of different sizes. I think this is going to be really fun. Let's look at this. I don't think it would take too long to do this one either. For some reason lately, I'm just having a hard time finding the seams of these packages. Goodness gracious. Ooh, I'm glancing next to me over here, and there's some beautiful stuff coming up, you guys. Just wait. Just wait. Oh, look at the numbers on those packages. You can't miss that. That's number 1 and number 2. An ice blue and a clear. Ready? All right. What do we have next? We have this blue. Pretty, pretty blue. A cobalt blue. That's like a reddish, deep red color. That's what that is. A light purple, another purple, a yellow. Okay, and then here comes the specials. There's quite a few. So we have this pretty blue, round, some reds, which are larger, yellows, which are larger. Now these two match, see? So we have 2 different sizes of that color. Then we have some blues. And we have some purples. That's going to be fun. I think that'll be really pretty. All of these colors, I think that's going to turn out great. I'm going to picture it as a snowflake. Although, snowflakes have, how many sides do they have? 8 sides? 6 sides? I forget now. This will have more than that. But anyhow, it could be representative of a snowflake, right? It's very pretty. All right. Let's look at this guy. This looks like fun. I'm in the process of gathering some stuff up to take on vacation. I'm going to be with grandkids. I'll take a few fun little things. Maybe I'll take some stuff like this, some little stickers or whatnot. I don't know if they're ever going to want a diamond paint. The older one does, though, or he used to. This is just one sticker. That's what that is. One sticker. This is not sticky. Oh, wait. No, it's not. These are individual. So the hearts peel off, and then this is one larger sticker. So you can put that like on a notebook or something. Wherever you want to put that when you're done putting the drills on it. I thought it was super cute. Just some cats in a cup. Cats in a cup. Who doesn't love that, right? Meow. Meow. You know what? The younger one might think this is fun. They actually have a cat. Maybe 2 cats. I don't remember now. I don't know. I'm going to be living with some cats for a while. All right. Let's see what we got. Drill-wise. Probably all rhinestones. Light pink. What is that? Like a goldy green color. Some orangey peach colors. Clear. Pink. Purple. A gray. A brown. And a blue. All rhinestones. Okay. You can't hate that. It's all rhinestones. Alrighty. That'd be kind of fun to sit and do one night, you know, if we don't have anything to do. We'll see. We shall see. All right. What else do we have here? What else do we have? What else do we have? Okay. How many of these cats do I have now? I don't know. I think this is the 3rd one. I have a cowboy cat, chicken / duck cat, and then we have this one. Super cute, though. Super, super cute. I love them. They're so adorable. There's only 9 different drills here. As you can tell, we're going to have specials out here and on her bow, on her little headband. Okay, she's like, oh. Yes. Okay, what's our colors? What's our colors? Oh, those are pretty. All right, we have green rhinestones, clear rhinestones, orange, yellowy gold color, another yellowy type color, another orangey color, pink. Look at those greens. Those go on her headband. Those smooth go on the headband. Oh, and they're going to go in the centers of all these little flowers. Then we have all of these pretty red. Those are so pretty. So that's going to go all around and on her flower there. Pretty, right? I think it's super cute. Love the cats. I think I'm done with the cats for a while, though. I think I got all the cats I want. All right. Let's look at one of these guys. These are fun. I love things that come in little packages like this, right? I love to do these decoration type things. And I actually, I have them sitting around my house. I have different holidays. And I keep those in my holiday boxes. So this one, I think, is just going to be summer. So here's our stand. Wood, of course, wood. Nice thick piece of wood. Toolkit. Stick to the bag. Wood. And it's a vase of flowers. Well, it's a jar, a mason jar. This will go in here when you're done drilling it. I'm not going to try to stick it in. Oh, well, it went right in. Look at that. Sometimes they don't go in because of the plastic covering on this, but it's super cute. So it's a mason jar, but it's like a glass. I think that's the handle of the little jar. So this is all rhinestones down here, but look, we have specials here, C, A, F. There's going to be quite a few specials in the flowers. Just a jar of sunflowers. How pretty is that? That can sit out like all summer long, right? Oh, we can't go that deep. Can't go that deep. You have to be careful how far down you put this thing. There we go. Yeah, it went all the way through and then it wouldn't stand up. Okay, drills. These have no legends, of course. You just look at the bag, and the bag here says this is number 5. 5. Where's 1, 2, 3, and 4? They're over here. So you just find the 5s on there. So we have an orangey, that's orange, some greenish colors, yellowy gold. These are special ones. A larger yellow, a larger green. A bunch of these smaller golds. That's probably going to be around the petals. Oh, we got a few slivers. Not bad. We can handle that. Some pretty gold teardrops. Look at those. I've never had those. Wow, those are cool. Those are nifty. I like those. Huh, they're iridescent and oh, those are cool. Here's the rest of our rhinestones. That's almost a pink champagne color. An aqua. That's blue. That is not clear. No, that's very, very light blue and a brown shade. Those are cool though. I've never had those. I love it when I get something I've never had before. Those are nifty. I like those. Nifty. I like that. Nifty. Anyhow, there's our sunflower jar. Cool. I love it. A jar of sunflowers. All right. You come over here. Just got a couple things left. A couple things. Okay. I'm really trying to get all these butterflies because I love them. I don't know if I have them all, or I don't know if I have duplicates at this point, but I love the butterflies. They are so pretty. Specials on the leaves, in the centers of the flowers, on the butterfly, in a couple different places. I think that's going to be so pretty. This is definitely like, is it a morning glory, a trumpet vine? One of the two. I don't know. Sometimes I can't tell. 9 different drills for this one. I loved the purples. And then the yellow background with a little purple at the top. None of this is drilled in the background. It just, you know, this is what I love about special drills. When you get a whole bunch of stuff to drill and you got a colorful background, it just makes them so pretty. So pretty. Alrighty, here we go. What do we get? Oh, there's some good stuff in here. Look at that pretty green. That's bright. A purple, a pink, another pink. Oh, look at this. This is for the butterfly, you guys. The butterfly is going to get all of this black AB around it. That's going to be so pretty. Some clear. Then we get some blue teardrops. Those are nice. Red marquee and green marquee. Where did the blue teardrops go? It's number 7. Oh, all in the wings. That will be fun. These are all going to be teardrops on the wings. Red marquee here, and then of course the green in the leaves. Pretty, right? So pretty. All right, got one more thing to show you, and then we're done. Now, here's another one. I don't know if I have this already. There's a couple different versions. I'm trying to get different versions of it. I may have gotten the same one. I'm not certain. I'll have to look at my stash. Again, with the wood, right? Look at, I might have him. I don't know. There's a couple of Easter ones. I think there might be 3 Easter ones. I'm trying to get all the different ones. I got to look through and see what I got. I have a feeling I got the carrot guy. There's one with Easter eggs and I don't know, something else. Anyhow, you know, they go on their little stand here. Super cute. I will set this out at Easter. Absolutely. Won't that be cute? Super cute. Not a lot of specials for this one. We got some 8s here and we got the flower there. Everything else is rhinestones. But let's look at them. See what colors we get. I bet we're going to get green, pink, orange, clear. All right. Let's see how I did. Green, lime green, clear, orangey color, orangey brown, pink, pink, pink. Here's some of our specials. The pink, that's kind of a brown, right? And then gold teardrops. That's what we get, folks. So I will link all of these below so you can go check them out. And I hope you enjoyed. I got to go check my stash of stand-up gnomes and see what I have. I've been putting them all in one spot, so I should be able to find them. I think I have ordered one with the Easter eggs. I think. I don't know. I got to keep better track. Or not. Whatever I get duplicates, I just put in the box of giveaways so you guys can benefit as well. Anyhow, he's super cute, isn't he? He's super cute. A little bunny gnome with his carrot. Love it. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope to see you back soon because there's always going to be a new video. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.